Greetings, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to peel back the layers of an often debated topic in maintenance operations, wrench time. We will explore what it truly represents, how it should be measured, and how it can be leveraged for your organization's success. So, whether you think of it as a measure of time spent on the job or the time spent with tools in hand, stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries and potential of wrench time. Have you ever found yourself in a heated debate about the effectiveness of wrench time in your maintenance operations? Well, you're not alone. Wrench time, the measure of time workers spend using tools on the job, has sparked discussions ranging from being deemed totally useless to being praised as the best way to improve maintenance. Today, we're diving deep into what wrench time really is, how it should be measured, and how you can make it work for your organization. So what exactly is wrench time? Some might think it's the time noted on a work order, while others believe it's when tradespeople have tools in their hands. However, these perspectives focus solely on the tradespeople and don't fully account for measuring this time effectively. If you measure wrench time by simply accounting for all the hours tradespeople are at work, you'll find yourself hitting 100% very quickly. But here's the catch. This doesn't necessarily mean your team is being productive or efficient all the time. The reality is, wrench time isn't just about measuring how long someone holds a tool, it's about understanding the various factors that contribute to effective work. For instance, if your team spends a significant amount of time waiting for equipment to be locked out or obtaining permits, these are indicators that planning and scheduling need improvement. It's not just about the time spent, it's about how that time is managed and utilized. Let's take a trip back to the early 1970s, where my journey with wrench time began in a large plant in the UK. Back then, the efficiency of the trade's workforce was notably poor, mostly operating in a reactive mode. The introduction of a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, marked a significant shift. We started using the system to provide feedback on the time taken for tasks, which initially met with resistance, but eventually led to a more structured approach, with time studies and bonuses tied to performance. These time studies were eye-opening. We used them to identify effective work versus non-productive time. This distinction allowed us to see that tradespeople were spending only about 30% of their time on effective work, with the rest bogged down by various delays. Armed with this data, we could address inefficiencies directly with plant management and make substantial changes to improve operations. From these experiences, several key lessons emerged. First, gaining visibility into your organization is crucial. You need to understand where time is being spent and why. Second, accountability is vital. Everyone involved needs to own their part in the process and work together to reduce inefficiencies. Third, trial and error will guide you. Continuously adjust your strategies based on real-time data and feedback. And finally, wrench time can significantly indicate your organization's culture. It reflects how well your teams collaborate and adapt to new processes. Now, how should wrench time be measured today? With modern CMMS tools, you can easily track both wrench time and wait time. It's essential to populate your system with all types of non-productive times experienced by your team. This not only helps in identifying inefficiencies, but also aids in fostering a culture of transparency and continuous improvement. Why is this important? Because when wrench time is used correctly, it's not just a measure of maintenance efficiency, it's a tool that can help transform the culture of your entire organization. It encourages collaboration, enhances efficiency, and ultimately leads to a more proactive and productive work environment. In conclusion, while wrench time might seem like a simple concept, its implications are vast. It's not just about tracking hours, it's about understanding the underlying factors that affect those hours. By measuring wrench time effectively, you can uncover valuable insights into your operations, leading to significant improvements and a stronger, more cohesive team. So, is measuring wrench time worthwhile for your organization? Absolutely. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the concept of wrench time, its measurement, and its potential to transform your organization's culture and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, understanding and managing wrench time effectively can be a game changer for your organization.